Okay.
Come on, when it gets to 10.
Or Michael could just count to 3 and we wait a second and then go.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to What's Instructions?
You didn't count to 3!
Okay, but...
Okay, I'm 20. Michael got it. Hey, what's up, you guys?
27, 27.
Hey, at
27,
least
okay.
we have blooper content.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, what?
3.
After 3.
On 36, on 36.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Welcome back to Eat It or Yeet It. This is episode 2.
So, sliders.
Yeah, so we had leftover ingredients. We had a bunch of that leftover onion mixture, and so we decided to do sliders. But then Dora and I were at Walmart, and we kind of decided to switch it up a little bit. So we're doing barbecue shredded chicken sliders. Will we eat it or eat it? Stay tuned. That was anticlimactic.
Wow. I had some like really dramatic music and then just like, oh god, cut the music.
And then the record scratch.
So, Josh forgot to preheat the oven, so there's that.
So, I hear Michael forgot to preheat the oven.
Let's see how this goes.
He heated the bottom oven. Yeah, what?
So,
Who does bottom oven first? Hey, what's up, you guys?
So we realized we forgot to do our initial ratings. I'll start.
Well, when I walked in the door from work, I smelled it immediately, which is always a good sign.
It's pretty strong.
Really strong. So I would say an 8. I think it's gonna be an 8.
Dara?
I think with how it's going so far, and for it being completely improvised, I give us an 8.5. Like, I'm
Okay,
excited.
I'm gonna be the bummer here. I think it's gonna be a 4.
Eat it or yeet it. Josh, yeet him.
I think it's gonna be Yeet.
Really?
Yeah, so we put the chicken in there for only like 2 hours in a slow cooker on high.
Well, that's a fast food.
You could be
No,
a hater.
it's a fast
Okay.
You could be a yeeter.
It was,
be the
it
hater
was
this episode.
So
shreddable.
an eater.
He's
I'm
a
gonna
eater.
I'm gonna go with Dora and say 8.5. I have really high hopes for this. We're sticking cheese, barbecue sauce, chicken in one dish. I mean,
I forgot about the vegetables.
Caramelized.
and caramelized onions. How is this gonna be bad?
With
I'll up it.
probably
I'll up it.
the best bread you could ever put, especially for a sandwich. Anyways, yours.
I'll up it to a 5.
Let the
I-
record show, if this goes amazingly amazing, the majority of this was be Michael.
I was here.
Happens.
I was not here. Look for our cookbook.
Talk to me.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Enough said. Oh my god, it is stupid good. Oh my
You
god.
could almost say it's dummy good.
The recipe so. And that's a wrap.
It came out insane.
Insane.
Insane. Ratings, Josh?
I'm gonna give it 9.
Okay, hold on. What was your original rating?
I gave it a 4.
No, you gave us a 5 to
A
be
5.
nice.
Okay, and your new
It was a
rating?
5. That's a 9.
Yeah. I said 8.5. I'm gonna raise mine to 9.5. I think it was that good.
I'm raising my 8.5 to 9.
I'm also raising mine from an 8 to a 9.
We did something. We did something, guys. When we were eating, I was kind of mentioning that, like, for this part of the video, I don't really know what to suggest to make the dish better.
So good.
Like I definitely feel like there's some way to improve this dish, but it was mind blowing, like absolutely phenomenal.
Yesterday, the peppers were on our plates for forever.
Yeah.
We destroyed this one tonight.
I have a
5 minutes.
food baby.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
One,
Its name is Leonard.
one thing, yeah, hell yeah. One thing that I was gonna suggest, the only thing I think that could be tweaked for me would be the sauce. It was really good. It was really delicious, but I think it was a little gelatinous. Like, as in, if I bottled it up for you
Consistency?
guys, would you put that on stuff?
Yes, 100%.
Okay.
I think it's because the sauce was cold.
Yeah.
Hold on.
If it was more saucy, I think that would make me push it to a 10.
I think given the ingredients we had, it would be
Like
definitely couldn't have done better.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's a little goofy, but throw this in a bottle and just kind of
Okay.
absolutely love it. No, I'm not even joking. Like I kind of want to put this on
Please go
my
away.
ribs.
Put this on my face.
Face mask.
This was
Get back in here.
I'm sorry, guys. I loved that sauce. Like I don't think that sauce could be any better.
All we
for
did really was we took the liquid from the crock pot with the chicken, added some cornstarch to thicken it up, and that was it. Barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Now, I don't think we even need to say it, but on 3, eat it or yeet it. 1, 2, 3.
Eat it.
Who said yeet it?
What? Did you say yeet it?
Who said yeet it?
Just like yeet.
All right.
Hey.
Anyways, guys,
That's
thanks for
it for
watching
today.
episode 2. We'll see you next time.
Bye.